How to fix Valorant not starting or launching. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to go to the site and make sure that Valorant or Riot game is not running. Then you have to go to the search bar here and type Task Manager, open. And here you have to make sure also Valorant or Riot game is not running. So if you see anything that is related to this game, all you have to do is to click and then click End Task so that it will stop running and it will not affect anything on your computer. Okay, so click End Task. Then exit this, go to Valorant, and then right click, go to Open File Location, tap Riot Games, and then go to Valorant. Click Live, go to Shooter Game, tap this one, go to Binaries, click Win64, scroll down till you see Valorant. Okay, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, tap Compatibility, click this Disable Full Screen. Okay, click Apply, and then click OK. Okay, exit this part, exit this. And then let's move on to the next method. Now, the next method is you just have to go to the search bar, type services, tap this one, click open. And then here, all you have to do is to type V so that it will take you directly to VGC. Okay, tap this, right click, and then go to properties. Change this to automatic, click start. Okay, and then wait as it is processing. When finished, all you have to do is to click apply and then OK. Next is go to the search bar again, type system configuration, click open. Okay, and then here you just have to tap the services and then look for VGC and make sure that it is running. And make sure that you have checked the box here or the box is color blue with check. Once done, all you have to do is to click OK. So after that, you have to move on to the next method. Anyways, you just have to click X. Now here, go to the search bar again and then type person symbol, app data person symbol. Okay. And then after you type that, all you have to do is to click OK. And then here, you just have to click app data, go to local, and then look for Riot Games. Okay, tap this one, go to Riot Client, tap App Data, and then this one. Below cookies, you just have to rename this one. Right click, click this Show More option until you see this rename. And then all you have to do is to put point or dot and then one. Okay, so rename this to dot one. And then after that, click enter and then click OK. So after that, you just have to exit this part. Next is you have to go to your display adapters, device manager, and then make sure that your driver is updated. So if not, you have to click update driver, and then I am using the latest version or the updated one. So next method is you just have to go to your graphic settings, search for graphic settings, and then here you just have to go to Valorant and then go to open file location. And as you can see here, I can see this Riot client services under local disk C. Okay, this PC. So I have to go to browse and then go to this PC, local disk C, Riot Games, and Riot Client. Tap this Riot Client services and then click add. And then right click, click options, and then after that, click high performance and then click save. And then the next one is you just have to go to your Valorant, right click, and then go to properties, go to compatibility, and click run this program as administrator. Click apply, click OK. And then after that, restart your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.